Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a commercial project we're working on today. 6-story building, and it actually has multiple buildings, but then we have an all glass building here too we'll be working on. We're doing all this with water fed. We're going to take a look at the equipment we're using. We have an IPC gas cart. This is our favorite cart. The guys go to this cart first whenever they're going to do work. We're running 2 people off this machine today. We have a hose reel with 300 feet of hose, wheeled. Makes it very easy just to roll back in trailer, roll it around the site if we need to, whatnot. So I'm currently doing the 4th floor. I'm using a Gardner pole here. This is the Gardner pole with the flared middles. So these flared sections are the only places that it stops. This is to reduce some weight. Still a flexible pole, or it's still a rigid pole to avoid the flex, but it does, it's not quite as stiff as like the Ultimate that has same size pull all the way up. So tapered areas you can stop and lock off the pole, extending it in certain sections. So that's currently on the 4th floor. I just cleaned the 6th floor and 5th floor. Now I'm coming back with this different pole for the 4th. The pole that I used over here for the 6th and 5th floor is the Gardner Ultimate High Reach. And that is, so where the yellow section is, that's that Kevlar, that mixed section, and that's the 47. And then it also has the one of the extensions onto it from the 74-foot pole, and that has 3 sections into it, and that's all we need. So we still have another 2 or 3 sections that's in the largest piece for that Ultimate High Reach 74 that we don't even need on this site, and this is a 6th floor building, so that works out pretty good. So my process is I just go one man on this RHG battery cart with the pump, and it's very quiet, very nice when you're next to an entryway. This building's closed down today, so we don't even put barricades out because there's no public traffic walking around, pedestrian type stuff anywhere, which is nice. So what we do is I'll go on this one machine just to give me extra pressure with the one pole. I'll take that 6th floor and I'll go all the way around this building, 6th floor, and then I actually go around and maybe a dozen windows around the other side, and then I'll drop down 5th floor, come all the way back, pick up my 4th floor pole, and then just kind of do the same thing, just zigzagging this building all the way down. The 2 other guys that are hooked up to the IPC are doing some balcony work on the other side, where they're only having to, it's a 3rd floor roof that they're up on top of, so they only have to water fed 3, 4, 5, and 6, and they're doing that stuff. Once they're done there, they'll come and help me with my lowers, and then from there all 3 of us will jump on this one and hit that. So this is a day of work. Probably we'll get out of here in 7 hours today for what's left here, and yeah, wrap it up. But that's a look. 6-story commercial water fed job. Ran 2 machines, 3 people out here today, and just kind of the process that we're using today. Some of the equipment too. Thanks for watching. Just out here, Window Warriors Forum.